Hi children, in previous class we have started our third lesson high and lifted arc, and let us continue the lesson. Okay, page number 28. See the story, this is a story of a little boy. His name is Tommy, and it was a windy day. uh, he was looking out from the window, and that window's door was opening and closing because of the heavy wind. And he asked his mother to go out. He asked permission to his mother to go out. And what did mother say? Mother said that there is wind outside, so you should be very careful. And he came out of the house, and he saw there leaves are falling and leaves are moving, right? Leaves are moving high and up and down. And he thought that he thought that if he were a leaf, he would have flew in the blue skies across the world. He thought in such a way. Okay, and his mother came out to give the jacket for him. And mother called him, but he was not there, right? Tommy was not there. Where did Tommy go? Let us see page number 28. From here we start. Okay, see, however, there was no Tommy in front of the yard. Tommy was a leaf. He was blowing down the street with the rest of his playmates. A maple leaf came close by. They swirled around and around, flew up into the air and then down again. See, Tommy was, when mother came out, Tommy was not there. See, now Tommy is thinking that he is a leaf, and he went with his playmates. Who are playmates? These leaves. Okay, leaves were falling. No, he followed these leaves and he went out. See, a maple leaf came close by. A maple leaf came near to Tommy, and they swirled around and around. Swirled in the sense moved around quickly in a circle. It moved in a circle and flew up in the air, then down again. It swirled and it moved around, and it flew up, and again it came down, right? This is fun, Tommy thought. The maple leaf was bright red with well-defined veins. The morning light shone through it, giving it a brightness never before seen by a little boy's eyes. The maple leaf was bright red with well-defined veins. Maple leaf, see here you can see leaf, no? This shape only, maple is a tree, okay? These shapes only maple leaves are there. And see, maple leaf was bright red color. It was red color, as you can see in the picture. It was red color, and the morning light shone. Okay, bright red with well defined veins. These leaves, no, you can see veins like lines. You can see, no, that is veins. Okay, veins of leaves. Okay, and the morning light shone through it, giving it a brightness never before seen by a little boy. He got very happy by seeing that. And there was brightness in his eyes. He was thinking that it is too funny. It is moving round and going up and coming down. It is again, what is it? It is very funny, he thought. Where do you think we are going? Tommy asked the leaf. See, Tommy also moving with this leaf. Okay, and Tommy is asking to Maple Leaf, where do you think we are going? Where we are going? Tommy is asking to Maple Leaf. What did he say? Does it matter? The leaf replied, have fun. Life is short. You don't think about it. It is not a big matter. Life is too short. We have fun. Who said? Maple Leaf said we have to enjoy. We have a short life. Maple Leaf said. Okay. Tommy asked, where will we end up if the wind blows you in that direction? And older leaf said suddenly, coming beside them, you will end up in the city dam. See, again, suddenly one more leaf came, old leaf. Okay, older leaf came, and this Tommy was asking to Maple Leaf, where will we end up? At last, where will we go? Where will we end up? And again, suddenly one older leaf came and said, if the wind blows that side, we will end up in city dam. If the wind blows in that direction, you will end up in city dam. City dam in the sense where the waste and garbages are thrown, no, that side. It is city dam. What is there? Smoke and fire will be there. Waste, what they do, this waste and all they will, we put fire now for day, so there smoke and fire will be there. Okay, this this older leaf said that if you go with this wind, where this wind is blowing, no, if you go with this wind and you will be definitely you will end in city dam. I don't want that, Tommy said. The older leaf replied, if you are blown in the other direction, you will fly high into the air and see things that no leaf has been seen before. And this older Tommy said, I don't want to go to city dam. Who said? Tommy said. And older leaf replied. Again, older leaf said, if you move to other direction, you don't go to go with this wind direction. You have to move to other direction. If you move to other direction, you will fly high in the air. You will fly high in the air, and you can see things that no leaf has seen before. You can see many things there that things no leaves has seen before. Who said? Older leaf said. Follow me to the city dam. The Maple Leaf said. A few of my friends are there. Tommy thought of his choice. He wanted to play. See, Maple Leaf said that you follow me to city dam. Maple Leaf is moving to city dam, right? Maple Leaf said that you follow me to city dam. My friends are there. Some of my few friends are there. Some leaves has fallen there in city dam, right? And Tommy decided himself he will move to city dam because some of Maple Tree's friends are there. No, he can play with them. So he decided to move to city dam. Okay, Tommy said to Maple Leaf, I will go with you to the dam. Tommy agreed to go with the Maple Leaf to city dam. The old leaf did not follow he was blown further down the block and suddenly lifted high up into the air. The older leaf did not follow them. That older leaf came now. That older leaf did not follow them to the city dam. It moved to other direction and it has blown high in the air. Hey, I see the dam. The old leaf cried out. I see smoke and fire. Tommy and Maple Leaf ignored him. I see nothing, the Maple Leaf said. And he said that older leaf went up, it flew high, Now he can see the city dam. He said that older leaf said loudly to Maple Leaf and Tommy, hey, now I can see city dam there. What is there? Smoke and fire is there. I can see that. And this Maple Leaf and Tommy ignored this older leaf. What older leaf has told, they did not listen them. They did not listen them. They are Maple Leaf saying that I can't see anything smoke and fire there. I did not see anything smoke and fire there. We will move to city dam. Tommy saw the wall that surrounded the city dam. He was happy to be with his friend. They would have fun in the dam. See, there where he in Tommy city, there where is city dam? See, there you can see in picture. You can see a wall, that side only. What is there? City dam is there. Now he is thinking. See, smoke is coming from there, right? There is city dam. Tommy is thinking that if I am moving to city dam, I can have fun with the friends there. And suddenly a car pulled up. It was Tommy's mother. She was not about to let her little boy run into the city dam. Suddenly a car came. Who is there in the car? Tommy's mother is there in the car. And she doesn't want to leave him to the city dam. Tommy was running to city dam. And you are not allowed to play in there. Don't you see the smoke? She said, getting out of the car. She said that you are not allowed to play there. Can't you see smoke there? Smoke is coming from there. You are not allowed to play there. Don't go to play there. Who said? Tommy's mother said. Tommy watched the Maple Leaf blow again against the wall and struggled to get over. He ran over to get it but was unable to reach it. Now still Tommy is watching that Maple Leaf only. Maple Leaf is struggling to, wall is there now, so it could not go inside the city dam. Tommy was struggling to, Maple Leaf was struggling to get into the city dam, but it could not. It was again trying to get into the city dam, and he ran to catch the Maple Leaf, but he could not catch. Tommy ran to catch the Maple Leaf, but he could not catch the Maple Leaf. And Tommy's mother walked over and took the leaf. She put in her pocket. Tommy's mother walked and put that. Tommy didn't catch the Maple Leaf, no? And Tommy's mother took that Maple Leaf and kept in her pocket. There, she said aloud, "It will be safe until we get home." She put it in the pocket and she said that this leaf will be safe until we reach the home. Tommy smiled and got into the car. He rolled down the back window and looked up into the sky. He wondered where the old leaf has gone. Perhaps One day he would see what the old leaf had seen perhaps. And Tommy, his mother kept a leaf in the pocket, no? So he is happy. He smiled and he got into the car and he moved to the back. He rolled down the back window and he looked up in the sky. He is looking out through the back window of the car and he is looking up the sky and he is thinking that where the old leaf had gone, that older leaf came, no, it had flew up, it had flew high, where did it go? He was thinking, Tommy was thinking that where did the older leaf had gone and what are the things he has seen there. I have to see those things, whatever the things he has seen, I have to see those things one day. Tommy is thinking he wanted to fly up, he wanted to fly high in the sky like older leaf and he wanted to see everything. He wanted to see whatever the things has seen by the older leaf is now he is thinking about that older leaf. Okay, this was the story. Hope you like the story. Okay, today's homework is to read the lesson. High and lifted up. You have to read this lesson without any mistakes. See, you have to send, record it and send. Okay, while reading, you record it and send in WhatsApp. I want to know whether you are reading the lesson or not. Okay, read the story, page number 27, 28, 29 and 30. Okay, read this story. Today's homework is to read the story. Okay.